Good morning, students. Welcome to your Office Automation Lab for Thurston IT. In the previous video class, I have discussed the assignment 1 of MS Excel. And in this video class, I will discuss the assignment 2 of MS Excel. So let's start. This is the assignment 2 question. Create a notepad file as per the following fields: serial number, name, theory 1, theory 2, theory 3, theory 4, theory 5, total and grade. Means the question is telling that you have to create a notepad having this field. So click on notepad and write the details of student having serial number, name, theory 1 to theory 5. So I have written it in a notepad file. So do this in the notepad file and save it. I have saved it as name result. Okay, serial number, name, theory 1, theory 2, theory 3, theory 4, theory 5, total and grade. Okay, so after that the second question is import this notepad file into Excel sheet. Means we have to import the notepad data into the Excel sheet. So to import the data, click on data tab. Okay, then from text, and from text you have to select your file. I am selecting my file name as a result. Then click on import, and this process takes some times. Then click on load. Okay, so this will display the data in a new sheet, that is result. So by this way you can import any file to MS Excel. Okay. Then the next question is calculate the grade. We have to calculate the grade based on the criteria. Like greater than 90, the grade will be A, and between 80 to 90, grade will be B, and between 70 to 80, grade is C. Between 60 to 70, grade will D, and less than 60 is grade F. So we have to write a function using if to generate this grade. So let's do it in the result sheet. So to calculate the grade using percentage, we have to calculate the total mark and percent. So I am inserting a new column, and the column name specify write as percentage. Then calculate the total. To calculate the total mark, use sum function. Then select the range up to theory 5. Okay. Then it will generate the total mark. Drag it. It will display all the total mark of all students. Then calculate the percentage. To calculate the percentage, you have to select the total mark by 5. Okay. So by this way, you can calculate the total mark. So I'm changing this mark to show you how can the total mark and the percentage is changing. Okay. So this way you can calculate total mark and percentage. After that, you have to calculate the average. Sorry, calculate the grade. To calculate the grade, use if function. Then the condition is if percentage is greater than equal to 90. Then it will display grade A. Okay. And if condition is used, three parameter. First one is condition. Okay, this one is condition. If percentage is greater than 90, then it will display the true value. After that, it will display the false value. So in false condition, I am again trying to use another if condition. So if percentage is greater than equal to 80 and less than, here there is two conditions. So you have to use and percentage greater than equal to 80, comma percentage less than 90. Complete the end, then it will display grade B. Between 80 to 90, the grade is B. Else. Again in else, you have to use again if statement, then if and then the condition is percentage greater than equal to 70. Again percentage less than 80. Then it will display grade C. Again in else position, if percentage, if again and percentage is greater than, percentage is greater than 60, greater than equal to 60, okay, and percentage less than 70, then the true value is D, and otherwise it is less than 60 means it will display the grade F. Okay, so this way you have to write the formula, and after that it will display the grade. Then drag the grade, it will display all the grade of all students. So by this formula we can generate the grade, and after that you have to write the steps. So let us discuss about the step of assignment 2. So to write the step, first start, then click on notepad, then enter the data having the fields, means how to enter the data in the notepad. After that save the file, and the next question is to import the notepad file to MS Excel. So from data, click on from text, then select the file, then click on import, then load. Means you have to write each step, okay, then the data will appear in a new sheet. And after that we have to calculate the sum and percentage, okay. To calculate the sum and percentage, then after that you have to write the formula to display the grade. So I am writing the formula here. Here you are using if condition. It is a nested if condition to display the grade, okay, and these are the output. So this table you will write in the white page, and step you will write in your left side, okay. So this is all about your assignment 2 of MS Excel. Thank you.